Look at all this snow in our yard, guys.
I know. Snow. Stop, stop, stop. Woo.
Hey, Zachary.
Snow. Chicken.
Danielle, hush. Xander, come downstairs.
Enjoy the snow while it's here. Let's have a giant, let's have a miniature snowman sport making contest. No, let's have each have our own little part of the backyard to make our miniature base. This is where my miniature base is. How about
Get your shoes on, bud. Come on out.
snow? Yeah, we can share snow. We're having a mini snow fort.
This miniature snow poor thingy to the ground.
Oh yes, there's more snow on the ground. Nice thinking. Make it huge.
Okay, guys, everybody make a snowball. Look at me.
I need help making my snowball. I'm terrible at making snowballs.
I'm pretty good at making snowballs when there's enough snow on the ground.
Yeah.
Here comes the dog.
Haley!
Let's try to hit the dog.
No! Yeah!
No, just don't hit me.
Woohoo! I hit the dog!
Bonus points.
Now let's start working on the snowboard here. Grab as much snow as you can and start piling it onto the snowboard.
Hey, I've got an idea. Let's use this as the enemy base and that is the good guy base.
I'm gonna go down the slide.
I want to smack the dog.
Oh, grab the ball.
I want to bullseye the dog.
Xander,
Can I turn the enemy base into his big snowball?
Sure. Killed it. Now flip it over. Now let's start constructing the snowball.
Let's kick it.
Try the ice out. A few days ago. Oh my gosh, Xander, come here. I discovered ice. A few days ago there was water, and now there's ice.
Awesome.
Rock solid ice.
Almost bullseye the dog.
I know how to bullseye her. That is ice.
Cool. Did you find ice in there?
Yeah.
Can you climb in and drop?
Record this ice.
Okay, I recorded the ice, buddy. You like that ice?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Danielle was the first one to beam the dog at point blank range with a snowball. Hey, careful. Don't throw it toward me. I got the camcorder, guys.
I got you. More snow. Okay, can you help me put out my hand?
I can't. Hang on. Come over here. There you go.
I'm gonna beat the dog.
There's water in here, and then I turned.
Careful, Danielle.
on blacktop. Xander will be the blacktop roller. I'll be the grass roller. Zachary, you can roll it on objects and tables. Let's get this party started. Ooh. Everyone, start collecting snow and putting it on the snowball. I found a snowball.
I'm a roller.
A mini snowball. Let me put this on the snowball.
Hey, you almost knocked the snowball out of my hand.
Yes. Then we let's get some purpose.
Aye.
Onto it.
Yay, aye.
And then let's show that it's made out of.
Daddy, can I have a hammer to get this ice off this? The ice don't melt.
Yeah, it's okay. We don't need to worry about it, Zach.
We have it on the footer.
Collect all the little pieces off of this and put them on the snowball.
I'm finding some big pieces.
Oh!
Time to put this on the snowstorm.
Okay. Whoa!
Gotta make it snowball, not a snow oval.
Oh, snowball!
No,
A snowball! That's what I call. How about a snow egg?
a snow egg. How about a snow egg? A snow egg. Perfect, designer. A snow egg. No snow egg. I want a snowball.
Not a snowball. Or a snow egg.
Or a snow egg. Okay, who wants to have the job of pushing the snow off the slide onto the ground? Me. Becky, you're the little munchkin. We all need to do this. Becky, you're too young to do that.
The easy way is to slide down the slide.
I'm gonna do a snow angel. I'm gonna do it louder. Dad, you got snow in your pants.
I need a snow angel. Snow
That's
angel.
some extra mass.
Hey, snow angel.
Uh-oh.
Hey, you almost crushed the snowball. Hey, no.
Xander, I'm on mission. Point blank. Point blank. L.
Say bye. Hey, Lizzie, Christmas tree.
No.
Lizzie, Christmas tree.
Yeah, we're about to go.
Kaylee. Kaylee.